Lipstick. It's more than just a cosmetic. It's a symbol of femininity, power, and self-expression. A simple swipe can transform a face, boosting confidence and captivating attention. From ancient civilizations to modern runways, lipstick has held a special place in our hearts and makeup bags. What is it about lipstick that holds such universal appeal? Perhaps it's the instant transformation. Or maybe it's the endless array of colors and textures, allowing for endless experimentation. Whatever the reason, lipstick has an undeniable allure, transcending cultures and generations. From subtle nudes to bold reds, there's a perfect shade for every mood and occasion. And with each application, we embrace a touch of magic, enhancing our natural beauty and revealing the many facets of our personalities. Have you ever noticed how a swipe of lipstick can instantly boost your confidence? It's like a secret weapon, empowering us to face the world with a bold and radiant smile. The act of applying lipstick is like a ritual, a moment of self-care that allows us to step into our power. Studies have shown that wearing lipstick can actually alter our self-perception. We see ourselves as more attractive, confident, and approachable. This boost in confidence can have a ripple effect, positively influencing how others perceive us as well. Whether we're headed to a job interview, a first date, or simply running errands, lipstick can be our secret weapon, reminding us of our inner strength and beauty. The history of lipstick is as rich and vibrant as its many shades. From ancient civilizations using crushed berries and insects to create pigments to the iconic red lips of Hollywood starlets, lipstick trends have evolved dramatically over the centuries. In the early 20th century, lipstick became a symbol of female empowerment, with suffragettes sporting bold red lips as a sign of rebellion. Later, Hollywood icons like Marilyn Monroe and Elizabeth Taylor popularized classic red lips, cementing its status as a timeless beauty staple. Today, lipstick trends continue to evolve, with new shades, textures, and finishes constantly emerging. From matte liquid lipsticks to holographic glosses, there's a world of possibilities to explore. The impact of lipstick goes beyond mere aesthetics. Psychologists have long been fascinated by the psychological effects of cosmetics, and lipstick in particular has been the subject of numerous studies. Research suggests that wearing lipstick can enhance mood, increase perceived attractiveness, and even boost cognitive performance. One study found that women who wore lipstick while taking a test performed better than those who didn't. The researchers theorized that the act of wearing lipstick may have boosted the women's confidence and self-esteem, leading to improved cognitive function.